Ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer while the rest struggle paycheck to paycheck? It's not luck. The wealthy follow a set of money rules that schools never teach us. And today, I'm exposing 5 of their biggest financial secrets that could change your future forever. Stick around till the end, because the last rule is the biggest wealth hack of all. Rule number 1. The rich don't work for money. Most people trade time for money, working 9 to 5 hoping for a raise. But the rich? They make money work for them. Instead of focusing on salary, they focus on building assets, stocks, real estate, businesses that pay them whether they work or not. Imagine waking up and making money while you sleep. That's the goal. Build assets, not just salary. Comment below. Would you rather work 40 years for a paycheck or build assets that pay you forever? Rule number 2. The 50-30-20 lie. You've probably heard of the 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and save 20%. But guess what? The wealthy don't follow this. Instead, they use the pay yourself first rule. Before paying bills or buying things, they invest a portion of their money, at least 30%, into income-generating assets. Then, they spend what's left. That's how money multiplies. Rule number 3. The secret to paying zero taxes. Here's a controversial one. The rich legally pay less in taxes than the average worker. How? They don't earn wages, they earn capital gains. Instead of getting taxed at 30% from a job, they invest in real estate, stocks, and businesses that are taxed at much lower rates. Even better, they use tax loopholes like depreciation and business expenses to pay almost nothing. If you want to start playing the tax game, learn about investing. It's a game changer. Rule number 4. Leverage. How the rich multiply wealth. Most people save money in banks, earning 1% interest. The rich? They borrow money to invest. It's called leverage. For example, they use a small down payment to buy real estate, rent it out, and let tenants pay the mortgage. Their wealth grows 10 times faster because they use other people's money. The lesson? Learn to use good debt to build wealth. Rule number 5. The power of networks and mentors. Ever heard the saying, your network is your net worth? The rich surround themselves with people who inspire, challenge, and push them toward success. They don't waste time with negative, broke mindsets. If you're the smartest person in your circle, you're in the wrong circle. And there you have it. The 5 money rules the rich follow that most people never learn. Which rules surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. And if you want more financial secrets, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's build wealth together.